2-in-1 children's long sofa bed. Truwelby Flip Kids Sofa is both a sofa and flip open bed. This lovely kids couch creates a small world for kids. It can easily folds out into a kid's bed, perfect place for a rest or having fun. Perfect size, packed in a small box, assembly required. Once unboxed, Toddler Couch expands 5 times. It may take 24 hours to fully expand. The sofa is size at 23 width by 17 depth by 15 height. The lounger flipped open is size at 23 width by 41 depth by 10 height. The backseat and armrest is ergonomically designed. Your child will be enjoy to have this comfortable support for their back and arms. Not to mention the construction is specially designed for small bodies. Quality and safety assurance. The cover of this kids sofa is made of 230 GSM 100% polyester fabric, breathable and skin-friendly. The pads of the folding sofa use durable and comfortable sponge. Even adults will love it. Soft and durable foam core means it's very safe for the kids. This is both a sofa and bed for them. Cute design, dinosaur/unicorn on the kids' couch will create a world that kids can enjoy. Having snacks, watching TV, readings, or just lay down to rest. The side pockets can store books and toys, keep their precious within reach. It's also light enough for the kids to fold by themselves, anytime, anywhere. Machine washable cover. This fun and functional foam compressed kids sofa is incredibly durable and easy to clean. The removable and machine washable cover with zipper can keep the kids sofa always in great condition. With its modern design and fashionable colors, this mini foldable bed can be the perfect item for the little ones. Top reviews from the United States. My 1- and 3-year-old are obsessed. We love this sofa. It seats my 50-pound 3-year-old and 30-pound 1-year-old perfectly. My 1-year-old loves that there is a chair that's just his size and it's his favorite spot in the house. It was a bit difficult to stuff the foam in the casing, but I put it together in about 20 minutes and it's been great.